Hello friends, this is Sparsha. This video I made for those who are in dilemma whether or not to start a small kitchen garden in their balcony or terrace where they can grow vegetables but are not starting it. They think it will take much of their time. They will need immense knowledge of gardening and so many important things will be required and cost will be very high. Much space is required. Friends, without skipping go through the video, you will understand only one thing is required, that is your wish. So let's start the video. First point, what to grow. Easiest to grow are the vegetables, those are right for the season. For example, tomato, beans, capsicum, beet, carrot, all grows best in winter. So, sow them in September or October. Some veggies grow best in summer like lady's finger, gourds, etc. Sow them in spring. And some year-long veggies like brinjals, chilies, you can grow throughout the year. Here, one thing you have to remember, that some vegetables need support system for growing like gourd, cucumber, etc. If you have lack of space for support system, it is better to avoid them. Second, how to grow. If you are growing 1 or 2 plants for each vegetable, you can buy saplings directly from nursery. Tomato, chili, brinjals are easily available in the local nursery. I personally prefer growing from seeds. There I have choice to choose the type of vegetables I want to grow. We'll try to post video of the same later. Container and space. This is a real constraint to many people who wants to grow vegetable. I have grown most of the vegetables nicely in 10-inch container. It means any container which holds 10 liters of soil, be it a grow bag or plastic can or tub, is good for growing vegetables. If you have more space, that will be much better. You will be assured by seeing these chilies and tomatoes in 2-liter plastic bottles that vegetables can grow in such a small container. I have uploaded a video for making these bottle plants. If you want to see, the link is there in the description box. The next important thing is light. It is absolutely true that all vegetables grow best in full sunlight. But it does not mean that vegetables will not grow where 6 to 8 hours of sunlight is coming, like your balcony. Mint, dhania and other herbs can very nicely grow in very small containers in your windowsills even. Next, let me tell you the soil requirement. I use same soil for all my vegetable, fruits and the flowering plants. The basic minimum requirement I will just mention here. What we'll need is your garden soil 50%. Any garden soil, whatever is available to you. Next is compost. Any compost like cow dung compost, vermicompost or kitchen compost. You can use any one or any two or any three. Whatever you use, you mix it in any proportion, make it 40%. To it, you mix 5% neem khol or neem cake and 5% bone meal. Here, the 50% soil you are using, if you can use 30% soil and 20% coco peat, it will make your mixture very light and it will increase the water retaining capacity and it will help you to save your water and watering time. If your garden soil is very clay in nature, then you can use sand to make it porous, otherwise it is not required. You might be thinking, in other videos there are so many ingredients they are telling. Why it is so less? Purposely, I have mentioned only the essential ingredients. I have used these ingredients myself and even still using it. Trust me, your yield will be great. Watering is such a topic which is very difficult to teach you on video. You have to learn it by doing it. This is because it depends on many factors like what is the plant, your soil, weather, pot size, plant health, and varies plant to plant. Some require more and some less. If you remember the simple basic principle, you will always be right. Plants do not like soggy soil. They like it moist. So water it to keep the soil moist and water the soil when it is dry. One more thing, don't forget the drainage hole at the bottom of your container. It is of utmost importance to keep your plants living. Now about fertilizer. If you have made the soil properly as I have discussed, you may not give any fertilizer to your seasonal vegetables. Even then, you will also get a good yield. But it will be great if you can use mustard cake ferment and can manage waste decomposer once in 15 days to the soil. This will improve your plant's health and yield to a very great extent. I already have uploaded videos of waste decomposer and how to make mustard cake ferment with waste decomposer. You will get the link in the description box. One request, don't throw away your kitchen waste. With waste decomposer, make compost with it. I have already uploaded a video. It is very easy method. You can find the link in the description box. About pesticides, only neem oil will solve 90% of your pest problem if you use it regularly. I am stressing to the point regularly. Spray any 1500 ppm neem oil 5 ml per liter of water and mix half teaspoon of any dishwasher solution to it, and then foliar spray to all your plant leaves either early in the morning or after the sunset every 15 days. This will solve most of the problems, and even after that, if you face any problem, you may ask question here. I'll try to answer as per my knowledge and experience. Fungicides will be required time to time. There are many fungicides available in the market. You may use any of them and use it according to the dose and the method which is written on their literature. Trichoderma viride is the organic method of fungus control. I have already uploaded a video which is at present at English language. You can find the link in the description box. You can see that. I'll soon post a Bengali version too. And I'll put the link in the description box. Harvesting is the most gratifying part of the whole exercise. Involve all the family members. Learn to harvest in time. This also you have to learn by doing. Always use sharp scissor or pruner. Pulling out the veggies will injure your plant. My efforts will be fruitful if any of you plant one vegetable at your balcony or in your terrace by seeing this video. If you have liked the video, press the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for viewing.